Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two human capital management systems. First one is Workday and the second one is SAP. We will go through pros and cons, and also at the end we will try to work out which one is better for your needs. So if you are interested in those products, I will leave the links in the description underneath this video. So let's start with the Workday. Workday HCM is a human capital management system that cleverly adapts to movements and changes within businesses. It is a cloud-based HR management software that intuitively unifies an impressive array of HR duties with a single system, with functions like talent management, payroll, compensation, time tracking, workforce recruitment, and planning. Workday HCM turns out to be an innovative business manpower management system. Further, with an offering of different products to match various purposes such as spend management, analytics and reporting, talent management, and so forth, Workday uncomplicates the day-to-day functioning for businesses of all sizes. Moreover, being centralized around HR operations, this software helps users build flexible frameworks for their workforce to function within. A Skills Cloud feature helps users with skill management and reporting to enhance the overall search experience. Complete with functionalities like case management, the voice of the employee, and workforce planning, Workday has designed a user-friendly interface that manages end-to-end businesses processes effortless. So when we go through the Workday, we have to go to the plan, as I promised, but it's all custom. So you don't find any bundles. You don't see any bundles. Here it's all just tailored for you. When we go to the accelerate your digital finance journey, you can learn a lot about Workday itself, how they work. They are also offering online 24/7 support, but it works like any other HR management software. You log in, you access it to your employees, for example, and you are working on tasks that are the bread makers. As I said, it's very nice. You can work a lot around the Workday with tons of features, and I strongly advise you to get a demo and find out if the Workday is the one for you. You just click on Get Started or on top right corner, and you go with the flow. Straight away they are contacting you and stuff like that. You just go with, let's go with Not Yet, and the system will basically guide you through all the steps to get yourself an account. The next one, as I said, is SAP. Well, who wouldn't know what SAP is? I would go through SAP Commissions, which is a futuristic incentive compensation management software helping businesses improve sales, shape behavior, and increase the revenue generation. It delivers expert services that are relied upon by top companies like Expedia Group, Heaven Life, Toyota, and stuff like that. Intuitive features offered by the platform facilitates sales growth, reduce risk, payment errors, and the security breaches effectively. So SAP is well known everywhere around the globe, and it provides you with the same features like Workday, but I would say they are so huge that you can cover everything, every single need. If you are small company or you're a bigger company, you can go to products and really see that they are trying to cover everything or every single need that you could ever possibly get. And that's what I like about SAP. You can go through industries and you see that their fingers are everywhere. Services and support, learning, their community partner and about SAP. Even they are having a headquarters in every country, so really you can rely on them. You can see Europe, and there is Czech Republic, even Slovakia, from where I'm from. So it's really huge how they can go into, like, if you are not very well experienced with English even, which is kind of weird, you can always go to SAP and they are going to treat you in the language of your own. So that's what I see like the biggest advantage. The approach to the customers is just, it's maybe the best on the market. So that's about it. I would go with them. That's not much to talk about as a comparison between SAP and Workday. If you have any other questions, please leave them underneath the comment section and we'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe. So see you and thanks for watching.